What's up?
Hey, what's going on?
Good to see you. You made it.
Late.
Oh, no worries.
Filipino time.
Island time, yeah.
This is
There you go. Oh, you're ready. All right. Breath in, teeth together. And spine unwind. Wiggle your toes for me too. Oh, for me too. Oh. Oh, better.
That's good. Oh, shit.
Whew. There you go.
Yeah, those pins, man.
Yeah.
Yours weren't as bad as mine. I think mine have softened metal on it. Oh, that was it. That's what I needed. Oh, shit. Oh, damn. That's what yeah. See, now my arm was good. My arm was like, it was waking me up. It was just like burning.
Whoa.
Like last night it woke me up. Holy moly.
Keep your hand, brother.
Let's go, Omni.
Got your back, brother.
All right, brother. Hey, you want me to do
Oh,
you?
please.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm not in my... Yeah, your pins are different. You sure?
Oh, yeah, it's a little snug. It's all good.
Ass backwards here. Are you sure that's not too tight? All right, teeth together. Don't bite your tongue. Breathing just through your nose. Nowhere. You're definitely sick.